Hey, hi traders, this is Parthiban and I'm preparing this video for you guys. Today is 6th June, but 7:57 a.m. Okay, if you look at this week's market news, yesterday was most of the Euro banks are off. Tuesday, today we get a high impact news on Australian pair. Wednesday, US, there's not so much. Thursday, there's pound sterling parliamentary elections, minimum bid rates, these two very high impact news. ECB press conference, unemployment claim for USD, Canadian Bank of Canada. Okay, pound sterling, nah, this is going impact. So basically, from Thursday onward, there's a high impact news in the market. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Okay, let's trade on H4 and like I prepared the first video. It'll be good traders. It'll be good if the traders can reduce the risk exposure. Okay, I'm not going to trade much this week, but I'm just going to give you guys idea of how's the market outlook for this week, and it'll be good if you stay out of the market, or you can just reduce your risk exposure by 80%. You see, usually brokers does reduce your leverage during the high impact news, like from 1 to 500 to 1 to 200 or 1 to 100. If why broker must do that? Because they want to control your exposure. But if you have a control over your fund, you don't need the brokers don't won't come into your accounts. So what you do, you reduce your exposure or your entries, everything, by this way. Like probably out of, usually if you enter 10 trades in a week, then you can reduce to, I mean, 10% in a week exposure, you can just reduce to 1 or 2% uh, uh, trade, see whether the market's in favorable trend, then increase your volume. So the ultimate goal is, when you're right, increase the exposure. When you are not sure, reduce your risk exposure. That's the important part in trading. What is the important part is, when you lose, when you're wrong, how much do you lose? When you're right, how much do you win? So the risk exposure is very important during a good time and bad time. Okay, I'm going to explain about the USD CHF. It's a very clear downtrend during uncertain period. Swiss franc and Japanese yen will strengthen, so I can see a overall appreciation on Swiss franc and dollar yen for this week. Yen to appreciate this week. See, market try to break, fail, try to break, fail. It was quite very well defended, and then it went up to attract a lot of sellers. It's higher than this, and a lot of sellers being attracted. They broke the key level and then retest. A lot of sellers re-enter again, and then they broke again. So if you want to go short on dollar Swiss franc, there will be a good position for you to go short. This is a better price, and you got to manage your trade to this level. Okay, this is on the dollar Swiss franc. And how about dollar yen? See, if you see dollar yen on a bigger picture on daily chart, overall market is retained above this level, and then it broke, retest, it created a new low, then pull back again, drop, retest again. A lot of sellers defending this desk 111.88. So market stuck in a range for almost a month, half a month, then broke down, retesting. So a lot of sellers, rather than I say it's a sellers, a lot of people fear to hold dollar. Dollar is depreciating at the moment, so rather hold on yen. So this is a very good place to go short, where you can manage your stop loss above this level and bring your trade to this area. If at all it penetrate lower than this, you can manage your trade. If not, close your profit. Euro USD, if you look at a bigger picture, Euro USD overall is still uptrend, still appreciating. I don't see any downside exposure yet. A lot of buyers are entering at the moment, so there's no proper entry price yet. Okay, so I would say a lot of traders are still bullish on Euro USD. New Zealand dollar is interesting market analysis where overall market is uptrend. It's a very clear uptrend where market create high, low, high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then created higher high, a pullback. This is a bit interesting. It's undergoing some limitation here. A lot of sellers are entering the market, but what until market penetrate below this area 0.70591, still buyers market. Buyers can pull back to any level. They reverse the market is possible. Until market drop below this, do not go short on the New Zealand dollar. Actually, it's a more bullish market. You can buy at a cheaper price, probably at this area with a confirmation, or at this area with a confirmation. Okay. And gold, a lot of traders trade gold, and they requested me to give idea on a gold. Gold actually stuck in a range, so it's a very strong sellers dominating the market and buyers dominating the market. So literally the market stuck in this range. What we can anticipate is market to drop with a confirmation or penetrate higher, retest, advance higher. So at the moment I don't see any confirmation of gold on daily chart. Okay, we have short. That's all for this week, guys. So USD CHF, please do trade carefully on this. Reduce your risk exposure. Okay, I'm not analyzing a lot of trades because this is a sign of we reducing our risk exposure. When market is in favorable, we increase our exposure. When market is not favorable, we stay out of the market. Okay, safe trade, good luck, and see you guys this coming Sunday. Thank you.